Imagine a deck with king, queen, jack, and ace. Choice draws one card. Choices draws multiple cards and puts them back so duplicates can appear. Sample draws multiple cards without duplicates. Shuffles simply mixes the entire deck. Red, blue, and green all start with equal chances. Choices picks them fairly. But with weights, some colors become more likely. Lots of red tokens means red appears much more often. Randint picks a whole number. Randrange picks from a pattern, like counting by tens. Uniform can pick any decimal number. Different tools for different kinds of randomness. Random creates simple randomness. But real customers don't arrive evenly. Expovariate creates realistic rushes and quiet periods. That's why simulations often use it. Without a seed, results change every run. With seed 42, the same random sequence repeats. This makes experiments easy to test and reproduce.